Okay, so this video is for a guy that messaged me and asked exactly how to wire one of these drum switches. These ones, I want to say there are 3 sets of contacts, A, B, and C, and then they're double-sided. So these would be connected and the bottom row would be connected. But essentially, when you rotate the switch, it pulls and pushes a section in there back and forth, which makes contact with different sets of numbers. So to simplify things, it's actually been a while. If the guy who's watching this will see, I've actually redid this whole faceplate since I last wired this thing. So there are nothing that looks familiar for the most part. So what we have is let me grab a flashlight. Alright, so we have a bridge right here. Let's see if we can rotate this up. Maybe we get some better light. So we have a bridge right here that connects these 3 sets of contacts. And then we have a bridge right here that connects these 3 sets of contacts. Now what that bridge does is, sorry, I'm smoking a cigarette. You have a power and the ground coming in, and that bridge creates power through these 3, and these are separate, and the ground bridge creates ground through those 3. So instead of having a wire come in and bridging 3 jumper wires across each one to give power to each section, it just has that bridge in there. And the center section actually doesn't need power because that is the stop position. If I go to the forward position, that brings my contacts up to bridge these across on the top here and bridge these across on the bottom here. And then if I switch to the reverse position, it pushes that set of contacts back here and bridges power across these 2 and bridges power across the bottom 2. So to wire this, you bring your power in, distributed, your ground in, distributed, and then straight across you would have your forward motion. So you'd have 1 wire, which would be these 2. Go back to my motor. And how this works, so when I bring that forward, it runs power back to my motor. Obviously it also runs power into these other 2 wires that are connected, but there's nothing connecting these to the other side, so there is no power getting to these terminals over here because my set of contacts are up here. So when it's switched into reverse, what that does is it pulls power off of here, brings it over, and then this side is looped over and this side is looped over, and that puts power into these wires and creates your reverse, if that makes sense. So essentially that's how you wire it. Power in, ground in, bridge, bridge. Main power out for forward motion, main power out, or main ground out for forward motion. And then just cross these last 2 terminals over to these terminals, and it will go into reverse when you switch that into reverse. And then when you're in the neutral setting, your contacts are here. These are energized, but there's no wires, so it works as a complete neutral. So hopefully that explains what you wanted to know. This is a little bit better camera, so you should be able to see a little bit better what is going on there. Hey man, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Let me know if it doesn't.